tal, amigas, amigos, coleccionistas? Bienvenidos. Welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We got this sweet truck. This is a GM 3500 utility truck. Camion Utilitaire. Utilitaire. I'm guessing that's Portugal. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is 47 out of 125. There's the card from the back, all the licensing and everything. Let's check this out. Very, very cool. Let's adjust the camera. Very nice casting. We're going to crack it open. Let it free. Vamos a abrirlo para liberar esta GM, esta trocona de Matchbox. Viene en uno de estos plastiquitos grande. Hay alguien en los suscriptores que coleccionan, o no coleccionan, pero usan estos. ¿Qué hacen con ellos? Yo los tiro, pero pues no sé. Muy padre GM. Very cool GM. It's very big, very, hefty. It's very cool. There's a lot of small details there, as you can tell. You got logos of departments of utilities, maintenance, parking. You think you got a bear there. Unit 9. You got a lot of things detailed there on the back. It's very nice. A few tampos here and there. It says Matchbox. Very nice. You got some cool wheels. White trim, black rims. It's very nice. Check that out. There's the rear. You can tell it has a few things there in the back, some gauges, some buttons. Very nice. It's in this teal color, en un colorcito muy bonito y le va muy bien. So ahí está este GM 3500 utility truck. Very nice. Thank y'all for tuning in, for all the support, for all the comments. Good luck in the hunt. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Gracias por entornarte en el video, por todo el apoyo. Nos vemos en la próxima. Mucha suerte en la cacería. Y hasta luego. Bye.